Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Let's start our tutorial. Here we have a equal to welcome to Python program. To find the length of the string, then I have type here print len, then inside parenthesis a. When I hit on run code, then I got the answers 25. Because we have the length of the string is 25. Next example is to find the number of times a character is occurring. It means that the number of characters is occurring is we have used the formula count function. So print a dot count inside double quotation marks e. When I hit or run code, then I got the answers 2. So here we have how many e we have in this welcome to Python program. So here we have 1 and 2. Here we have 2. So the next example is print a dot count capital P inside double quotation marks. When I hit or run code, then I got the answers 1. Here we have capital P. Here we have only one capital P. So let's go to PyCharm. Here I will type here print len, then a. When I hit on run code, then I got the answers 25. Total we have 25 characters. So the next example is a dot count e print a dot count inside double quotation marks e. How many counts we have in welcome to Python program? So here we have 2. How many e we have? 1 and 2. So the next example is print a dot count capital P and then hit on run code. So I got the answers 1. The first examples I have gotten the example 2 and the second is 1 because here we have only one capital P. Okay, the next example is equal to welcome to Python program to find the index of any character. So here I have type a dot index inside double quotation marks o. When I hit on run code, then I got the answer 4. Here for to find the index in Python, it will always start from 0. Then we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 is here. So I got the answer 4. So the next example is a equal to welcome to Python program to convert the first letter to capital. So here I have type print a dot capitalized and then hit on run code. Then I have got the answers W. The first letter is capital and all the letters are in small. So let's go to PyCharm. I will type here print a dot index O and then hit on run code. Then I got the answer 4 because here O is in 4 index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next example is print, type here print a dot capitalize so when I hit on run code, then I got the answers welcome to Python. Or a equal to welcome to Python and then I have type here print a dot capitalized. When I hit on run code, then I got the answer welcome to Python program because the first letter is capital and all the first letter is capital and all the letters are in the lower format. Thank you so much for watching this video and follow for more.